At least I just want to case to Larry Chuanico. Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, you need to learn your lesson too for what you did to Teacher May. For me, you need to apologize. I criticize the parents of Paulo Cruzada. You need to apologize. That you need to tell your son, to apologize. Teacher May Tiburcio. Look what you have done, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, when I read the messages, when I see all the messages, I never want to block, because I know, I'm just saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, Sophia Ahmad Sultan had messaged Teacher May that she will never forgive you. Because this is your fault, Paulo Cruzada. You harass Teacher May. You harass the person that she doesn't do anything. Paulo Cruzada, you need to learn your lesson. That is your fault for what you did to Teacher May. You know that. However, if I say again, Paulo Cruzada, if Teacher May will never forgive you, she is no longer to forgive you. Oh, you know that. You are very abnormal. If I insulted you abnormal, you are abnormal. I didn't call Wawel Romero abnormal. Oh, he was quite behave. Eyo, Paulo Cruzada, when are you going to be learn your lesson? Hmm. Just like I said before, when, you know, Paulo Cruzada, whether if you like to make a bomb threat, if you make a ISIS, or you want to say you want to hostage Teacher May, you are an asshole. Oh, I'm gonna say bad words to everyone because I know I don't want to use my nasty word. Paulo Cruzada, you are abnormal because that his mom never reprimand him. Oh, the parents of Paulo Cruzada. I want to accuse both of you. I want to insult both of you. Lecture your son. Pagsabihin mo yan sa anak mo, like if they attack Teacher May, if they harass Teacher May, what will be happen to you? What will be happen to the parents of your if your parents are died, Paulo Cruzada, pag namatay ang magulang mo, I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, who will taking care of you? I just want to explain. Ah, you know, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself. Have a shame to your family and your relatives, even your friends. That's why Bruce Altavas had unfriended you in Facebook. Even Patrick Altavas, Jordan Pilapil, Buddy Castro, Nicky Miranda, Crystal Dose Jurado, Jens Manaid. Oh, I still mention about Jens. Everyone there unfriended you because, you know, you are notorious. I am saying again, Paulo Cruzada, just like I said before, you are abnormal. Your parents are abnormal. Look at what happened to Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada, her mother anyway. She went to hospital last year. I've been never contact with Teacher May in Messenger. She asking me, you need to better to tell to Paulo Cruzada to be lectured, to be learn his lesson. And now what you have done? You harass Teacher May. Now Teacher May is very upset at you. You should be ashamed of yourself.